Hey guys, Pop Scrap here. Today we're scrapping out this, it's like a Serview box, you get channels on it. It's Samsung it's made by. Now it's a good quality thing this is. It's Intel, so it's be good gold corner chips on this and stuff. What else would we get out of this? Basically a lot of gold covering, maybe a hard drive. So we'll go through it and see. I've doctored up a bit for it. If you can see this, it connects into this. So if we give it a go, we've most of the screws undone. So it's one of these special bits that there's a part in the middle of it that you can't take off. So I've doctored it up a bit so I can get these off. So hopefully that's all loosened here. One more here. Hopefully you can see me in the camera, can you? You can, just about. I'll push this forward. The light now won't be the best. Always one, isn't there? Hopefully this will get it off now. Now, the rest of the screws are loosened, so why can't I put Phillips into this? It absolutely wrecks my head. So they're loose. I have a couple of Phillips here on the fan. Just touch these with a magnet. Sometimes you can be, no, they're magnetic, so sometimes it can be brass or aluminium or stainless. So that's that off. And underneath these, please say there's no more screws underneath these. No screws there. Okay. Now, we start taking a few screws off here. They're all these dirty, funny ones. Okay, you see me too good here now. Turn up this a bit more. Now, as you can see, there's a few more here, so we'll undo them. Bear with me now for 1 second. I have to get nasty with this because it ain't working for me. Typical, the one bit I haven't got out of hundreds of these tamper-proof bits, the one bit I haven't got. So anyway, we'll break it off and see what we have. Let's see. Should come off here. I have the screw stuff taken out here. There we go. We've a nice bit of wire here. There's a gold, no, it's tin plate on it. We have a nice board here, which I'll be taking off. There's a couple of chips on it. Put that to the side. Could be a nice bit of stuff in this. Over here out of the way. Oh, there's screws here hiding in the bottom. Always one. This comes out handy. This will come off easy enough than the rest. Yeah, screws coming out. So on these boards will be nice quality gold plating on them and stuff. Just plastic, recycling. Sorry, before I go any further too, one of the guys here on my channel said there's a recycling centre in Ireland that takes buys plastic by the ton. I'm going to look into that, and if anyone can drop the link to me, Seamus or whoever thinks there is one, if you could drop me a link of that guy's channel, and I'll check it out and I'll get in contact with them. Now this looks like really like a good motherboard. Like there's good quality stuff on this. So you can see the gold plating on the pins. This is a big enough board. We have a gold corner pin here, or a gold corner CPU or flat pack. There's a CPU or some kind of here. We have a nice hard drive here. We'll see what is it. It is getting that. I think it's a 5. What the? Sorry about this, guys. I'm not the best looking for this kind of stuff. 500 gigabyte. So it's a half a terabyte. So it's good enough. So there's a lot of stuff on this board. A lot of good stuff on this board. So we're going to go through it and see what we can get out of it. The usual bits and pieces, little bits of wiring. Some nice gold plating pins in here. So I'm going to start cutting bits and pieces out here now. What's good and what's not good. So I'll get rid of it straight away back in it. I leave it like that, I'll sell it like that, the wire. Add a bit extra for myself. There's gold plating in here. So we'll keep that. 2 bits for gold plating. Now, get this off. I'm very interested to see what's underneath this. Maybe one of those gold corner chips. Some nice stuff in it. Little motor. So we'll cut off then for the motor. Take this motor, put it with the rest. And these spring loaded pins. One down. 2 down. It's one of those corners. It's a hard enough one to get off, but we can get it off. A nice piece of aluminium extrusion, but my scrapyard buys it all as the same, so which is very handy in a way because I don't want to really be sorting it out. What else have we got here? We'll take off this hard drive. I take this stuff all day. Great stuff in it. I should pop out now. One more here. Steel we have first. We'll make a video on this, guys. Hard drive, some nice board here at the back for gold recovery and stuff. That'll be a separate video. Nice bit of steel. I like these gold bonding wires. Why couldn't I make this board all with Phillips? Make things so much easier for me. Right, what am I stuck on? Oh yeah. Now these guys, look at these pins. I hope you can see this in the camera. That's pure gold plating. Beautiful board. This is a high quality board. We're taking all these little pieces of gold plating off it. Beautiful gold plating. That's very thick gold plating now. It's a high quality gold plating. It was connected onto this, where there's not a bit of gold plating on it, which I find very weird. What else have we got here? Got another motor. Tear off that bit of wire. Push that through. We've got another motor. I'll leave it like that. Another fan motor. Bit of wire, and I'm going to bring you closer now in a second and go through this board with you. small bit of wire and it won't take off the miscellaneous little bits out of the way. One Phillips, two Phillips. I hope this board can pop out for me actually. Oh yeah, there's a load up. Hopefully this is stainless, guys. We'll have a go. We'll have a check of it now in a second. I'm gonna put my magnets. So many magnets. I don't know about you. I go through so many magnets now. Steel. I go through so many. When you put them down, they're gone. There's a lot of MLCCs. Well, they're not too many, but they're nice thick ones. What else? I'm trying to take off this board and see. Will it come out easy for me? There's the other one. Yeah, some very big MLCCs in this board. A bit more brute force it needs. As I said, I haven't got the fixture for them screws, so I'll give it a brute force to take it out. Which I'll do that again, and magnet again. See that on me, or stainless. That's steel. So we'll just take you off the mount here, and we'll go through it with you. When I scrap these out, these Samsung, yeah, they're an absolute sexy board. So we go through it here. The size of these to my finger, MLCCs. Where are we? They're huge. Absolutely monsters, and there's so many, as you can see through the board. Lovely flat packs and everything on the board. Now look at these bad boys. You don't get many of these on a board like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a lot of nice stuff on this board. Cool. Not too many flat packs and stuff, but in the lines of other bits and pieces, it's nice. So yeah, I just want to give you this quick video on this, on gold recovery and stuff like that. There's more gold recovery in it than anything else. So like, comment, subscribe, guys. See you in the next one. Take it easy. Bye.